Hindi naman tayo pwede magbigay ng offering ng hindi galing doon sa nauna na ibinigay sa atin ng Diyos. 11 to 12, My child, don't turn away or become bitter when the Lord corrects you. The Lord corrects everyone He loves, just as parents correct their favorite child. Appreciate God's correction. Yung pagtatama ng Diyos para hindi sala. Yung word na sala, pinagmula ng kasalanan, na sa Southern Tagalog, sala means mintis. You miss the point. May binatukan, di mo tinamaan, sala. You miss the point. So yung kasalanan is not always naman yung napaka-evil mo dahil may kasalanan ka. Nagkasala ka lang, ibig sabihin, you miss the point. You did not reach the standard. You were not able to get to where you are expected to go. So kailangan